Hey, it's Abdullah, and I think it's pretty fascinating trying to compare the stock camera app on a device against Gcam because, in my opinion, it's a really good way to see how far the brand has come when it comes to image processing specifically. As you guys know, the Google camera, or what we refer to as Gcam, has been sort of like the gold standard when it comes to image processing. And you can really see the advantage of that when you look at devices such as the Pixel 4a, which doesn't have a fantastic sensor and is a pretty affordable device, but its camera is really amazing for the price. And it all comes down to the image processing and the Gcam algorithms, which really manage to transform almost any phone's camera into something that is quite spectacular for the money. So when I was taking pictures with the G50, the first thought I had was, how close are we to achieving Gcam levels of processing on a Nokia device, especially for a device that's sub $300. And to make it even more interesting, I won't even tell you which image is captured with Gcam and which image is captured with the stock camera app. So I want you to tell me, which one do you prefer? Image 1 or image 2? So please keep a tally and let's get straight into it. Before I tell you which is which, I just want to admit that I actually pulled a fast one on you guys. I'm sorry. But I used the X20 on two of these images by comparing the stock camera app on the X20 versus Gcam also on the X20. Did you manage to spot which two images? Well, here they are. As for the big reveal, image number 1 is Gcam and image number 2 is the stock camera application. Now, I personally do prefer the output captured with Gcam on the G50. The extra bit of contrast and the slightly more subdued colors, which look a bit closer to real life, is my personal preference. But what do you prefer? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Now, objectively speaking, when it comes to extreme low light situations, and when it comes to handling noise, I do think that Gcam does have the slight edge here. But the stock camera experience isn't that far behind in either of these two aspects, which is why I think most people will be really happy with what you can capture with the G50 without having to rely on Gcam. And by the way, I'm leaving a link in the description below if you want to download Gcam for your G50, X10 or X20. Before I end the video, I just want to thank every single one of you for sticking around and supporting me. It's honestly been so overwhelming. We've managed to reach 35,000 subscribers in less than 2 years on this channel, which is an incredible achievement, and I can't thank any of you enough. The level of passion that I see in almost every comment section really is what drives me to continue giving you guys content. So thank you so much. I can't describe how much I appreciate all of you sticking around. I know we have differences in opinions about how we want to see the brand progress in the future, but I think there's one common thing between all of us, and that's the fact that we want to see the brand do really well. So here's hoping we see nice things in 2022 that would keep us as fans happy and excited about the brand's future. This will probably be my last video for the year, and I just want to thank you all once again for the incredible support, and I hope you all have an amazing 2022.